Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. If you are new, be sure to subscribe before you leave. Today I have another amazing video for you all. I've gotten quite a few comments regarding the headband wigs in regards to those who do not have edges. Many of you guys were making comments like, oh, that's a great concept for those who have edges, but what about those who don't have edges? Now with headband wigs, you can actually pull them forward depending on the size of the cap. If it's large enough, you can pull it forward and completely cover your edges so you don't have to worry about that. But I see what you mean. Oftentimes, it is more realistic if your edges are showing. So I have another game-changing headband wig for you guys. This unit that I'm going to be showing you all is a new headband wig. It was recently released and it's perfect for those who do not have edges. It's also really good for those who are beginners, who don't really care for lace or using wig glue or even having to apply your unit with gel. I've done a number of these type videos, but y'all, this one is really, really cool because this headband wig actually has bangs. So right now I'm just showing you all the unboxing of the unit. This is what it looks like. It doesn't actually have the headband in the front of the unit, but it's just behind the bangs. Now I really love bangs, so I was so excited to see this type of design. It's so awesome. So it does have combs on the inside. The cap is really breathable, although it doesn't have holes on the inside of it. It does come with an adjustable strap at the bottom, and you do have your standard band with the Velcro on the end. And this unit is in the Coily texture, which is my favorite hair texture. I love the Coily texture. It's so beautiful. And what I love about HerGivenHair is that their texture is consistent from root to ends. So you won't have to worry about any straight roots. It's going to be kinky curly from the root all the way to the very end of the hair. And it looks so much like our natural hair. So right in the package, this is what the unit looks like. Now I'm going to go about washing the hair, and I love using my Total Miracle Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner. I'm going to apply that to the hair using my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush. I'm going to define the curls and then apply 2 stylers.
Tell me that it's my fault that it's over.
Now the 2 stylers that I use are the Dark and Lovely Curl Defining Cream Glaze. This is my favorite. I also use the Coconut Curling Cream by Cantu. I paired these 2 together. I applied it to the hair in sections and went in to further detangle the hair using my detangling brush.
See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotty. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, but you gonna be sorry. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on a dotty. You can hit a vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far. I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm not sorry, but you gonna be sorry. I'm not sorry.
And now we're at the point where it's the next day. I've allowed the hair to air dry overnight, and look at all of this goodness. curls look so amazing. I generally try to allow it to air dry, but you can actually go in and diffuse the curls, which will actually make them look more shrunken and give you more shape if that's what you desire. But I just let it air dry overnight and it looks really good. I also got my unit in length 18 and I'm really excited about these bangs. I used to wear bangs all the time with my natural hair units. It actually kind of reminds me of the Something About Mary unit, but this one with a headband attached, which has become my favorite lately. I love headbands. So we're gonna try it on, install the unit, and I'm gonna show you guys some styles that you can do with this particular headband wig. Oh, it's so cool. And I know I'm gonna be able to do some awesome styles with it. And I usually get my units from HerGivenHair in a size small, for those who are wondering.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober.
All right, now that we've done that, you're pretty much done. After going through the process of defining the curls and everything, you don't have any work to do. Now, you can wear the hair right out of the package the way that it is, but I recommend going in and really defining the curls so that you can truly see how beautiful this texture is. Like, look at that. So beautiful, right? And I love the way the bangs turned out. They're not too short, they're not too long. They are just perfect. But this is the shape without picking it or anything, and it looks really, really good. And as you can see, this is where the headband is, just behind the bang. Now, I do have some headbands from HerGivenHair. I also got this one in my package, and I love this particular print. It's a really beautiful Ankara print. And this one is long. I could do so much with this one. And I think it would look good with my top. So I'm really debating on whether I'm going to use this one. I have to use this one. It's just too pretty. Like, look at that print. Isn't that beautiful? Many of you guys were asking in my last video where this one was from. And if you didn't see that headband wig video where I used this scarf, then I'll leave it in the cards above. But this scarf was also from a package I got from HerGivenHair. I believe it came with my last headband wig. So what you would do is put your headband over this area. Now, you could leave it as is, but I wouldn't recommend that you do that because you're kind of exposed. This one, I feel like you have to wear another headband over in order for it to look natural. Let's try one of these. So if you wanted to wear a standard headband like this, you could do that, and that would be really easy and also look really good. See how that works? Now, it doesn't fully cover that headband, but it does enough for it to look natural. But I want to use this one, and then I'm gonna create volume and everything. So let's try that.
You make me want to take you to London, Paris. Make some times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you, yeah. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute, girl, you know you cute.
Y'all, this looks so cute. I kind of did like a little extra accent bun style scarf tying method at the top. Now let me show you guys what it would look like with just a standard headband look at the top with this scarf.
But none of these girls can beat you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you.
You see how you really don't need any edges for this one? The bangs conceal your edges completely. And if you have the bangs going more so toward the center, then you could actually show your edges. but if you move the bangs over, your edges are completely concealed. So it doesn't matter if you don't have edges or not, you could still wear this unit and look so bomb and feel confident and slaying like you've been natural for like 10 years. So let's do some styles now.
So many tears. You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty, pretty. Truth be told, we grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. Cause I still think you're perfect. Perfect. Pretty, 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 pretty. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of
Y'all, I'm loving this look. I cannot wait to try this one with this particular unit. I actually used to wear this style quite a bit in the early stages of my natural hair journey, and I just love it. It looks so good with this headband wig. All right, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope you all thoroughly enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this new headband wig construction. It's so bomb in my opinion and so versatile. You can literally do so much with this particular unit, and you don't have to have any of your leave out. You don't have to worry about edges or anything like that. This is for sure a no work needed unit. I hope you guys are appreciating all of these headband wig videos. I do actually have a playlist on my channel. I'll be sure to link that in the cards as well as in the description box. You all be sure to check that out. I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and be sure to check the description box. I'll have all the links and specifications for this bomb headband wig. I can't wait to hear you all's feedback. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Let me tell you something.